2025 Willy's Coupe Gasser, a modern interpretation of one of the most iconic drag racing cars ever built. This timeless classic has been reimagined with cutting-edge technology while keeping its vintage appeal intact. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Willy's Coupe Gasser a standout in the world of performance and style. Exterior design. The 2025 Willy's Coupe Gasser perfectly blends nostalgic design with modern upgrades. It maintains the classic silhouette that made the original Willys one of the most feared dragsters of the 1950s. Slim, aggressive lines, a high front end, and that unmistakable Gasser stance. The bright, bold colors and vintage racing details make it clear that this is a car built for speed, and it doesn't shy away from showcasing its racing heritage. Interior and luxury. Step inside the 2025 Willy's Coupe Gasser, and you're immediately met with a mix of retro styling and modern technology. The interior maintains the spirit of the original Gasser, with vintage bucket seats, a classic 3-spoke steering wheel, and a minimalist dashboard that keeps you focused on the thrill of the ride. The cabin, though sparse, doesn't lack attention to detail. Custom gauges provide essential data for engine performance, while modern touches like a digital infotainment system and Bluetooth connectivity are seamlessly integrated. Despite its race-bred roots, the interior is designed for comfort, making the Willy's Coupe Gasser surprisingly practical for everyday use. The seats are designed for better support and comfort than the originals, and while the car retains a Spartan aesthetic, it's clear that driver comfort has been thoughtfully considered, especially for those longer trips to the racetrack. Powertrain and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Willy's Coupe Gasser is a powerhouse of modern engineering. The car is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, generating a staggering 800 horsepower. This engine is paired with a modern 6-speed manual transmission, providing an authentic hands-on driving experience that enthusiasts will love. The power-to-weight ratio is incredible, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds, an astonishing feat for a vehicle with such a classic design. The 2025 Willy's Coupe Gasser features an advanced suspension system with adjustable coilovers, allowing the driver to fine-tune the car's performance based on road conditions or track requirements. The high-performance brakes and upgraded exhaust system ensure that not only does the car deliver speed, but it also handles with precision and control, whether you're racing or cruising down the highway. Technology and safety features. While the 2025 Willy's Coupe Gasser is built with performance in mind, it doesn't overlook the importance of safety and technology. The car comes equipped with modern safety features such as anti-lock braking, traction control, and a reinforced roll cage designed to keep the driver protected at high speeds. The advanced LED lighting system ensures visibility both on and off the track, while the latest infotainment and navigation system keeps the driver connected and informed during drives. Conclusion. The 2025 Willy's Coupe Gasser is a stunning tribute to a legendary car, reimagined with all the benefits of modern performance engineering. With its iconic design, thrilling performance, and a perfect mix of vintage and contemporary features, it's a car that will turn heads on the road or at the track. Whether you're a fan of classic drag racing or simply appreciate the beauty of a finely crafted machine, the 2025 Willy's Coupe Gasser delivers it all. Thanks for tuning into Car Yeti Craft, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in automotive excellence.